Do 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 do. Joe and Mr. Greg!
Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how you could draw something like this. You can see it's a bunch of little monsters and they have lots of little details. So to start this, I started with the shape of the monsters, and you can see that they're all pretty similar, where I think about the side of the body, the top of the head, and then I start figuring out what can go on those bodies, like eyes, like a nose, like teeth or mouths. If you want to add things like arms and legs, you sure can. But my monsters don't have any arms and legs. They're just kind of like blobs. Although I do add things like spikes to them a little later. Adding different types of teeth and different types of eyes will give it a little bit of a variety, and it'll make it more interesting for the person who's looking at your artwork or the viewer of your artwork. After you've decided what kind of monsters you want to have and what type of other details you want to add, like polka dots or stripes or any other types of details that you need with marker. After you finish all of those things, it'll be time to put the caps on tightly and then get out some crayons. And what you're going to want to do with those crayons is add as many color mixing areas as you can. You'll see on my crayons that I layer one layer on top of another when it comes to adding color. So we've been looking at the color wheel and how the color wheel has colors that are neighbors. So places like green and dark green will blend well together. As you can see, I blended those two colors together there. Blue and green blend well together. Purple and blue will mix well together. That's because they're beside each other on the color wheel. So play around with mixing your colors, play around with what your background might be, or the patterns that you'd see on your monsters. Okay guys, I hope you have fun with this, and I'm sure you'll come up with something even more creative than I did. Have fun, and I'll see you on the next video.